Hello everyone, welcome back to Developers and Coders Club NIT-A YouTube channel. Today we will discuss Codechef Starters 115 problem A plus B remastered. So let's take a look at the problem statement. So you have two arrays A and B, each of size n. You can rearrange both of these arrays in any way you want. So after rearranging A and B, we have to construct an array C of same size n such that A of I plus B of I is equals to C of I. Okay, so is it possible to make such array? If it is yes, then we have to print the arrangement of A and B, and if not, then we have to simply print -1. So let's see, take a look at the input. First contains integer t, number of test cases, then n, size of the array, both the arrays, and then two arrays. Okay, so if I look at it, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, in this one, if I keep the first array as like this and I just reverse the array, okay, like 3 2 1, and if I add now each elements, it will be 4 4 4. Okay, this one is A, this one is B, this one is C. So basically what I did is I added the lowest smallest number of the first array with the largest number of the second array. And similarly, I'll keep increasing the values, and in another I'll keep decreasing the value. In the next example, let's see. There is 9 and 8. So what I said, I will add the lowest, that is 9, 8, and another one is 5, 6. So as I said, I will add the smallest one with the largest one. So I'll rearrange it like this, and keep on moving, keep on increasing. So after 9, after 8 I have 9, and after 6, like if I decrease, it's 5. So it will be 14 and 14. Okay. So how we can code this? We can simply sort this first array in ascending order. Okay, ascending order, and we can simply sort the another array in descending order, and we'll keep on adding, and if the sum of first two elements is equal to the sum of second two elements, and we'll keep on doing that. And if any point the sum is not equal, let's say in this case, in this one, this example, let's say I have sorted my first array, it is already sorted 5 6 1 7, and it is already sorted 4 3 1. Okay, so if I add it, it will be 8 9 9. So this is here C is not possible in this case, so we will simply print -1. Okay, but for this case we can have one more output. For this case, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, I can have, like given in the, I can have 3 1 2 and 1 3 2. Okay, I can have output like this also. So if we have multiple output, we can simply print any of them. So let's take a look at the code. So what I did is I just have taken the input of integer n, and then I have created two arrays. Okay, I have taken the input of two arrays. I have sorted the first array in ascending order and then another array in the descending order. Okay, if at any point some of the elements are not equal to the some of the adjacent elements, then my flag will be equal to 1, and I'll simply print -1. And in other case, I will rearrange. I have already rearranged the array by sorting, so I'll simply print it. I'll just run the code. and see it is failed, because we can have multiple outputs, and see in this case this will also work and this will also work. So that's why, and here's it is the code. Thank you.